going on, people? Welcome to the work week. Welcome to the new, I say that every week. Welcome to the new food week. It's the pizza dude. So, welcome guys. Let's get into the new grub and for the new grub. Oh my god.
Don't delete that.
Let's get into the new grub for tonight. Let's get this started. That said, peoples, we got pizza night as usual for, we usually do this on Friday night. Last night we went Costco shopping, didn't get back till late, so there was no dinner vlog last night. So we're doing it tonight on Saturday night. I've done this long enough to know that these ones are ours, Christine and I. I finally made the kids do their own. So they actually look pretty good for the first time the kids doing it. So we got the crust, flattened out, pre-cooked, so it's ready to get its toppings or whatever. So we're gonna go with pizza sauce, got a little garlic oil. Usually I put that on before I put the pizza sauce on. It makes it taste real nice, Clark. Got the pep, pineapple, standard trimmings here. Got tomatoes, onions, Canadian bacon, olives, mushrooms, no cheese. No cheese. So we're gonna get these all dolled up, and then we'll catch you guys when they come out right before we eat it.
Hi.
What's going on? What are you doing?
You're like looking at my boogers.
Hugs?
No, okay.
Oh, come on.
No, okay.
Alright guys, so we're getting ready to throw these bad boys up in the oven. Got my big old thick pie right there with all the toppings on it. Pepperoni, pineapple, standard Hawaiian. What is yours?
Pepperoni and then olives and a lot of garlic.
There you go.
Like drench it.
There you go. So we always put garlic with oil on my bread first, but Zoe forgot, so she's putting it on top. So I put that on the bottom down there, and then I put the sauce over the top. It makes it nice and garlicky and moist. Dude, that's a lot on top of it. That's going to be an oily pizza, Zoe.
It's good.
All right, guys, let's get these in and cook them for about 15 minutes. All right, people, so the pies are done. That one's the wife's, which is half gone. That's your pepperoni and pineapple. There's the kitchen sink pizza, that'd be mine. It just came out because it takes a little longer to cook. And yeah, there's pretty much everything that's left over on that one. And then the kids, there's Zoe's and Grace's Tennessee's. So that is what's for dinner Saturday night. Hope you guys have a great weekend. We'll see you tomorrow. What's going on, people?
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, Bunny.
Happy Easter.
Easter, Jesus, Easter, whatever you celebrate on
exactly.
Easter.
Hopefully your day is... Exactly.
Oh,
hopefully your days treat you well.
Yeah, look at this.
So we went with the ham on the smoker because we had to cook other things in the oven, so that was all we had. So there's the ham, smoker. Getting the deviled eggs all dialed in there with the missus.
This is all I've done, guys. This is like, so of course he turns on the camera and you give me total credit.
Got some fresh bread that we're gonna slice up for dinner. So we got that, the turkey.
Oh my.
The ham, and then we've got scalloped, dairy-free, gluten-free
there's
taters.
No dairy in that, guys.
There's the ham, there's the beans, the eggs will soon be with us, and the bread, and that. And that is how we're doing Easter today, our style. Hopefully you guys had a great Easter Sunday, and well, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead.
Wait, guys, where did our, she took the box out.
It's in the freezer.
Is that still in the box though?
No, because it says to take it out of the box, yeah.
Is the box there?
No.
Darn, guys, okay.
So the kids, for dessert.
It's a Daya brand. I wish we had the box. The kids took the garbage out already.
It's cheesecake.
It's a cheesecake. So Daya, D-A-I-Y-A. It's in the freezer section. It's gluten-free. It's dairy-free. It has a little bit of crust to it. And the girls really
It's yummy.
So I'll probably put jam.
So that's what's for dessert today for the kiddos. Hopefully you guys had a great Easter Sunday, and we will see you tomorrow. All right, peoples, it is dinner 30 on Taco Tuesday. So tonight, we are going with a frozen dinner General Tso's chicken. Yeah, it smells amazing. Some sticky, well, not sticky rice, but just regular rice. And broccoli. That's it, people. Look at that. Here, all.
You missed it. That would have been great.
You guys just missed the show, Zoe. She always leans back in her chair. She never sits flat in her chair. She's always leaning. And it finally after 14 years just went backwards and wham, hit the floor.
We probably shouldn't be laughing.
Should have been there, people. That's what's for dinner on Tuesday night. Slater. What's going on, people? Happy hump day. So, tonight's dinner is
Zucchini stuffed
boats
without
without
the zucchini.
the zucchini. Hold the zucchini. So it's kind of like the spaghetti type looking deal sauce that you're supposed to put on a zucchini boat and make it all tasty, but I guess we ran out of zucchini.
So look.
So what you get is a soup
Yeah.
and some salad.
I would have made pasta, guys,
Soup
if I
salad.
knew that this is how it was going to turn out. So make pasta with this dinner, gluten-free, regular, or have garlic bread, or
You know,
something to round it out.
something on the side there. But anyway, that's what's for dinner tonight. We will see you guys later. What is going on, people? We are wrapping this week's videos of dinners up with the smoker and some burgers. Yeah. So tonight, pretty simple. We just went with some smoked hamburgers. I toasted up a couple pieces of bread because I haven't had any this week and it's almost gone, so I figured I better get a couple. And then just a salad there, green salad with some onions and carrots and cucumbers on there. So that is what we've got for dinner on Thursday night. Slater, guys.